Double Dragon 3. That one's super cool. Oh my gosh.
They were a thing.
Yeah. Oh, look at New Kids on the Block.
Pretty cool. Like, I didn't realize that was Michael Jackson.
That's a cool piece.
Buy the booth, $1,500. Everything.
Buy the booth for $1,500. Come on. How much is this?
$2.
$2. I'll give you 2.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I bought it for nostalgia.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, I had to stop at this booth because I saw the big Eagles tent.
There you go, man.
Go Birds.
Go Birds. Good town.
I played football at Reading down there at Albright College, but I live more in like Allentown. Yeah, up by Allentown area.
Yeah.
Love seeing all the old little toys.
I know, it's so nostalgic.
Yeah. What do you have on them?
3 for $1.
3 for $1.
And he had boxes upon boxes upon boxes.
Really?
And she cleaned them all in the tub. And yeah. A bunch of them I went through. I was like,
How about New Kids on the Block?
Oh my gosh.
They were a thing.
Yeah. Oh, look at New Kids on the Block.
I know.
That's awesome. What do you have on those?
5 each.
5 each.
Yeah.
Who didn't jam out the New Kids on the Block?
Victoria. New Kids on the Block. I know. And they have like a little their little stage and drum thing. It's so funny.
Oh my gosh. New Kids on the Block.
I got all kind of like hardware stuff. I mean, I got a freaking method to this madness.
Organized chaos. That's what I call mine. Would you do 20 for the set? You have 5 apiece on them?
I think I'm gonna stick at 5
Okay.
right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, would you, if I do this, would you throw these ones in then?
Yeah.
All right. I can't walk by them. Yeah, super cool. All right. Oh, actually, yeah, I'll take a bag for those. That's the stands and stuff for it. Yeah. All right. I'll use 25. 25.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
All the t-shirts are dealerships too, so a lot of them want
Can I take a look at this bracelet there, please? This one.
How much are your shirts?
That one is 40, and the other one is 40. Like I said, they're all
Yeah,
dealerships. I had that when I was a kid. All his hats are dealerships when he worked in there. This guy's 190 years old. 75. There's more stuff.
That one's super cool.
What's in my street old lady?
Free loom tag.
700 Eagles I just got yesterday.
700 Eagle.
$20 a round I bought them for.
How much is this one?
Let's take a look
20.
at the
That was 20.
I'm not selling them right now. I don't sell silver ever. Just true.
It's a cool shirt,
I
man.
sold a bunch of them yesterday for $35 a piece. That's it.
Rock and roll. That's cool. Tequila bottle? Morning, man. How you doing?
All right, how you doing?
Doing good. What are these? It's supposed to be Michael Jackson? What the heck?
What's going on, buddy?
What's up, man? How you doing, man?
Hey, long time no see.
Yeah, man. I was laughing at your little things. Like, what? What are these? What are these?
They're actually made in Britain.
Yeah, I saw that.
It was pretty cool. Like, I didn't realize that was Michael Jackson. Like,
Yeah.
That's a pretty bad impression, but I guess.
It's something you just normally don't see, man.
Yeah, it's crazy.
How's business been for you guys?
Good.
Still real busy?
It's busy. It's just weird. People aren't spending as like they used to.
Gotcha.
Like at an auction house, they're saying they're being selective. Like before, people would spend $5, $10. Now
Yeah.
it's like, can I get? We're at 5. Can I get 7.5? Can I get $6? We're still looking at it like,
This is cool.
yeah.
Cupcake wine barrel. See what else you guys got here.
Yeah, paying that coffee sucks.
It's folders. Folders.
I saw this jack at the corner of my eye, and unfortunately, so did this guy, and he was literally 2 steps ahead of me. and he ended up grabbing the jacket I wanted to look at. It's a really cool old vintage jacket.
Hey, it's right. What did you do?
I'll do 35 for you.
30 bucks.
All right, you got me.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Is there any other old stuff like that?
No, I don't. I mean, I don't know if you guys have any old starter jerseys.
Thank you. I think it's supposed to hold a picture frame, probably.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like $2.
Oh yeah, it was supposed to hold a picture
Yeah,
frame.
that little plexiglass piece of foam.
Yeah. Do a buck for him?
Sure. Yep.
Cool. Do a buck.
Awesome.
Thank you. Oh my god, New Kids on the Block. I just bought these action figures a minute ago.
Matter of fact, we did in the States about a year or so ago, and they had a blanket. They had a bunch of her
New-
daughter was New Kids on the Block.
Oh, yeah.
Her daughter was now 36 years old.
Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, I just got all the figures at a booth down there.
Oh, cool.
Are these, you guys have them by the bag or how?
Show me what you want. They're very cheap.
Okay.
The ones in the bag, the most I will charge is $1. If you grab a group
Gotcha.
off, even do better. And even
Okay.
these sets, at some point I went through them all. That's $15.
Yeah.
Like $3. Whatever. I mean, make a little pile.
Okay. All right.
I will
'Cause
look at it again.
I like the little vinyl figure. So I do Disney auctions online, but like if I get them cheap enough, I put them in lots for like $3-4 bucks. You know, but
I just
So
got
see what
stuff
he-
out.
yeah.
I'll just put all the stuff. I did set once I like to take time and group them all together, but
yeah, I got you.
stuck on the floor, so I moved all over them.
He had one of these old porcelain Disney figures from Japan. I kept digging through it. I ended up finding about 3 or 4 more, but he only charged me $1 a piece, which was an absolute steal. What'd you do for something like that? Like a lot like that?
I'm not even going to have a $10 online to make that.
That's exactly what I had in mind, man. Perfect. That's,
honest, when we come here, we try to get.
I know. Yeah, that's why I always come to you guys, man.
You see what's hanging around. I mean,
Do you have any other ones, boxes like this to go through?
a little Star Wars one. It's like what, 2 for $1 on there.
Right.
Unless I make a pile of it, I'll work.
Yeah. Alright guys, pay attention because we're about to hit a gold mine of items, stuff that you may pass up all the time. So keep an eye out for these if you do see them. All the Transformers. Just that bag there.
Oh, and the changeables.
McDonald's new food changeables. Now you can change your favorite McDonald's food into amazing robots. Like Frybot, and comes with each Happy Meal you buy. You can collect and change all 8 new food changeables at McDonald's.
It's supposed to be, I meant to get like $15 for that one. I
Did
think.
you 10?
Okay, fine, yeah.
Cool.
Got those in there.
That's okay.
I got a hole in the bag at home. They do pretty well.
I love those as a kid,
They're
man.
awesome. They are
Dude,
awesome.
So like this, and then the McNuggets that were dressed up as like Halloween characters.
The Halloween, that's for first set I sold, there's a set of 6 or 8 of them. They do pretty well.
Yeah. But I mean, I saw these and like this is nostalgic for me, man. Thank you.
That's perfect. Make sure that's all that matters.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Check back later on if you're in there. If you see something you're thinking about.
Oh yeah. I'll be back. What's that SpongeBob thing? Weird. What is it?
Speaker.
Oh, it's a speaker. That's cool.
The eyes are in the speaker.
It's true religion. Oh, look at it. I love the blow molds, man.
Newer though.
No, I never seen that dog before. Yeah, they're definitely newer.
Heavy.
Are they heavy? Yeah. Just got a thing for old license plates. I don't know why. Just cool looking. Budweiser King of Beers. How much is the shirt?
I was asking 10 on that. Just looking for a hanger.
2023.
Thank you.
What is this thing? Is it the Green Goblin? That's a cool piece. Marvel 2005. Oh man, look at this. This is actually from the Double Dragon arcade.
Oh shit. Cool.
Yeah. Double Dragon 3. That was actually when you were in the arcade. That was in the front of it. The front of the
Yeah.
the thing, the top part of it. Yeah. Excuse me, sir. How much is that?
$80.
80 bucks. And how much is the Green Goblin?
I think you got 40 on it.
40 that one. Okay.
I know some guy a while ago he'd do 100 for both.
Gotcha. I actually bought one of those at the junk in the train. It's a Winnebago. It's like a Tonka toy Winnebago from the 70s.
Yeah, you tell it's old. That's cool.
Yeah, mine was really beat up. I paid like 20 bucks for it, and I was selling it for like 30 or something. It was just too big. I wouldn't have gone.
Yeah, dude, it's heavy.
But I mean, in good condition, they do sell for 100 plus bucks. I'm here with LL from Handmade and Beyond.
What's up, guys?
Go check out his channel if you guys like Etsy, selling on Etsy, or want to sell on Etsy. Look at the Three Stooges.
You know, during the winter I did good there. Better because I was able to go shopping on Saturdays. I didn't come back that way.
I love the old metal like lunchboxes. Masters of the Universe. Rambo.
Crowd, is it getting the crowd or anything?
That Rambo's cool. So you usually gotta check to make sure to see if the thermos is inside.
Never had a thermos.
Yeah, they never. They always thermos is always the first thing to go.
Those don't really go, you know what I mean? They're, yeah. Some of them might, some of them might have thermoses in them.
Yeah.
That was a
Gotcha.
Yeah, that was a
It's always the first thing that goes, the thermoses. These electronic. Remember these back in the day, the Tiger Electronics?
Yeah.
Love these things.
Buy the booth, 1,500 bucks. Everything.
Buy the booth for 1,500 bucks.
All the books.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm not helping you load.
Finish picking.
I'm not helping you load.
Bunch of graphic novels.
You don't want to do it?
Creeps.
Before somebody grabs it and I sell it for $1. Okay.
Yeah.
You got a channel?
Yeah.
What's it called?
Picking and punching.
That's like $50 a box.
What about the like graphic novel stuff? What do you gotta do for the boxes for those? If I want to pick up.
You figure that out. I can't read it. So I'm assuming you resell, right?
Yeah.
If it's like this thicker stuff like this, and like the hardbound stuff, like only because like actually I know this one is very well.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's new.
Right. And this is the one where it's got that really big key in it too. This was a big story changing for Sandman.
Yeah.
Did you watch the show? I did.
So
it was.
Did you watch the show?
I didn't. I want to though. It's on my list.
You need to. You need to. Comic box 50. If it's got comics 50.
So like this would be 50.
We'll do some like magazines too. Yeah, 50 bucks. Yeah, it's like 99 bucks brand new.
Yeah.
So we're like, honestly, if it's a bunch of this thicker stuff, like 60 bucks
For the box?
box. And then, you know, I guarantee you.
Yeah, it goes like 40 bucks.
Yeah.
So.
I think it's cool looking.
Yeah.
Once I figure 60, like you sell those too.
Yeah.
You're in the money.
Yeah.
So, and trust me, we got it.
All right.
It takes time.
All right, so let me see. Have you gone through a lot of the
Dude,
comic book stuff?
I'm telling you, we have just loaded boxes, and then we were so tired, and then we left. We didn't sleep at all last night, and then we woke up at 3 a.m., threw it in the truck, and came here.
I'm on like 30 hours of no sleep.
What do you want for it all?
1,500.
Yeah, I think
I'm gonna take that box here. So
Yeah,
I just want to make anyone comes up try to snag it.
I think I did the math. It comes out to about 62 shorts, roughly.
Yeah.
What about the paperback ones? Oh, there's a couple of hardbacks in there.
60 bucks.
60 bucks. Okay.
You guys think? Might as well grab
You can't make your own box though, sir. You gotta buy actual box.
One thing people always pass up is magazines. I pulled out some old magazines that were in here. There's some Scream, some Horror Hound. There's Creeps, Rogue Morgue. Always look for weird off-the-wall stuff, like this Godzilla one from G-Fan. Okay.
I was showing it well on, but at that moment, I didn't.
Hey, would you do 50 bucks a box if I bought for 5?
That's cool.
250?
Yeah, he doesn't care.
Cool. I can PayPal you.
Okay, PayPal works. All right, give him your link. Yeah.
So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what it is. These 5 right here.
Okay.
Cool. I have just 2 or 3 books on top. I can put in.
No, you're fine.
Cool.
But you know, it did come through those. So
All
you're
right,
all
cool.
good.
Cool, man. Appreciate it, man. All right, so I just got done doing some listing on eBay with these books. Just to give you guys an understanding, I paid $250 for all those comic books, and let's see what some of them are going for here. So I listed this entire stack of graphic novels here. This Dick Tracy one's about a $60, $70 one. This Amazing Spider-Man's about 10 bucks. Silver Surfer's 10 bucks. This Madman one, that was like a $75 one. Sonic the Hedgehog brand new is like 30 bucks. Daredevils, I don't know, I think 10 or 20. What are you doing? Oh, you were sleeping. Why are you? Hello, Willow. Why are you ruining this video? Oh, you're making it better. Gotcha. Okay. So where was I? But Hellboy's like a $40 one. This Sandman's like a $60 one. This one's like a $30 or $40 one. All in all, we got all of these listed last night. We listed 13 books for $520. So we still have like 4 more short boxes to go through. Some of those graphic novels are just gonna put in giant lots together if they're not worth anything. I really didn't look up much stuff when I was there. I was trying to use my knowledge to the best of my ability, looking for the hardcover ones, the omnibus books, the big thick ones that had high price tags on them, hardback ones. Spider-Man, X-Men stuff usually does really well. Anything horror related, magazines, Mad magazines, crack magazines, they always do well for me. So me and ADH Dave had a big conversation about this too, is should we spend the $1,500 just to buy out the entire thing? We would have dealt with a lot of crap that we need to get rid of, and probably wasn't the best idea for me. So I think I did the best decision now looking back on it, but let me know in the comments down below. Would you have bought all that stuff for $1,500? Granted, it was a great deal, don't get me wrong. I think I picked out the best stuff for me at the moment. I think the rest would have been a bunch of filler. I could be wrong though. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe. Check out our upcoming whatnots we have coming up. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.